Look, I have some sweet potato slips growing now. Look at that. Y'all coming out good. Yes, you are. Okay, okay. Sweet potato slips. Soon gonna have me some more sweet potatoes growing in the soil. So the slips grow off of the sweet potatoes. Put them in soil and look at the vines growing off of the sweet potatoes. These are called slips. You put them in the soil, they're gonna grow you some more big sweet potatoes. These are some of my sweet potatoes from last season that I saved, so I can have them to grow me some more slips. Look at that. Put these in the water until I get them in the soil. I'm getting my beds together for them today to go ahead and plant them. See this one here, I had them in water, and it has a lot of roots already growing on it. Look at this one here, the roots on this one. This is a nice little slip. Put that in the soil and grow me some more sweet potatoes. Look at that one. I already have some roots growing on it from the sweet potato. Look at that one. Okay. Sweet potato slips. It's a long one. I'm gonna cut this one in half, make it two that I plant in the soil. Nice sweet potato slips. Have a nice sweet potato slip growing right there. Look at that little one. All of these attached to one sweet potato. A lot of sweet potato slips. Okay, let me get these ready. Let's see how I'm gonna pull this out here. Attached to the sweet potato. I think I'm gonna cut it right there so it can continue. Let this one here continue to grow. So I'm not gonna pull it off the sweet potato. Let me see. Cut that right there. This one right here. And more sweet potato slips can grow off of that sweet potato. Let that one get a little bigger before I pull it. Look here. I made some more sweet potato slips. Yes. Okay, I'm sowing all of my sweet potato slips. Getting them ready to grow us some big sweet potatoes this season. Okay, let me finish getting this side together here. Okay, my sweet potato bed. Okay, I have all of my sweet potato slips planted. Now let me water them in. I think I got about 40 or 41 that I counted. I'm gonna put some straw on top of it to keep the moisture in. and watch it grow. Can't wait to see the sweet potato flowers grow on it. And can't wait to see my harvest of some big sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes growing in Big Mama's garden.